Hi, welcome back to Ed Foodie. I apologize for my face. I got into a little fight over my deviled egg recipe. I like to use mayonnaise and this guy wanted to use Miracle Whip. Not really. I actually was running in the park and tripped and fell down.
Oh, easy, tiger.
What'd you say?
Easy, tiger.
That was my nickname in high school. Okay, let's get on with our recipe. Today we're going to do a breakfast recipe of sweet potato hash. And it sounds really good. I can't wait to get started. And hopefully Catherine won't take too much photos of my face. We'll just concentrate on the food today. So let's get started. Okay, I got my pan here with about a tablespoon of olive oil. The heat's on about medium. I'm going to add in it's about a half of a chopped onion. And I got about a quarter cup or half cup of chopped sweet green pepper, bell pepper. We're going to saute this till the onion and pepper are soft. So to my onion and bell pepper mixture, I'm going to add about a half a pound of breakfast sausage. I'm using breakfast sausage with sage. You can just, whatever your favorite style is. Okay, so this is pretty good. The sausage is crumbled up good and it's well done. We're going to separate it. We're going to put this in a separate bowl. Okay, so now I'm going to add another 1 or 2 tablespoons of oil. I've got one fairly large sweet potato peeled and diced. We'll cover this, cook for 12 minutes and stir about every 4 or 5 minutes. So while the sweet potatoes are cooking, we're going to make a quick little homemade pico de gallo to spread on top. I've got about a half of an onion chopped. That's about half a cup, 3/4 cup of diced fresh tomatoes. About 2.5 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lime juice. I've got a half of a jalapeno diced. I've taken the seeds out just because I don't want to kill the taste of the sweet potato. And then of course, about a tablespoon of fresh diced cilantro. So we'll stir this up and then we'll let it marinate and let the flavors blend while the sweet potatoes are cooking. So we got our pico de gallo finished here. Let me take a little taste, I mean. Oh man. This is so good and so easy to make. You saw how quick you make this. That fresh lime juice and the cilantro. So much better than the stuff you buy in the store with all the preservatives and things in it. It's just so good. We got our sweet potatoes. Nice and brown and soft. That's the important thing. And actually, like I said, I used one fairly large sweet potato. You probably could have used 2. Now, in this, we're going to mix our sausage, onion, pepper mix. And basically just heat this back up. So you can see I made 4 little holes. What I'm going to do is fill each one of those holes up with an egg. Then I'm going to sprinkle on top. I got 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. You can use more or less. We'll put a little bit of salt. Then we'll cover this and let it cook until what you like on your eggs, which is nice having a glass lid. We'll cook this till we kind of like our eggs over easy. So we'll probably let this go for 3 or 4 minutes. And then we'll be ready to eat. We can see the eggs are turning white. They should be to the doneness of what we like. Yeah, it does.
Okay.
Okay, so let's top this with a little bit of our homemade pico de gallo. Wow, really good. Sweet potatoes add a little bit of sweetness. Then you got the citrus from the pico de gallo, the breakfast sausage, a little bit of spice, the red pepper flakes, a little bit of spice. Really good. I'm gonna give it a 2 thumbs up myself. Let's see how Catherine likes it.
I want to taste. Smells good, and all this tastes good.
Yeah, sweet potatoes add just a little bit of sweetness. It's really a good aftertaste, that
Good.
lime.
Yeah, very good.
All right.
2 thumbs.
So we're very hungry. We're gonna have our breakfast. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and a like, and please subscribe to Ed Foodie. Thank you very much.